Have you ever wondered about how to make a minimap in Minecraft? No? Well, I don't care. Here's a fucking guide or some shit. So, before we make anything, how does a minimap even work? The minimap uses an image of the entire map. We take a part of that image and then display it. Zoom into it and then move it around. We're basically done at this point. Let's just do the displacing by the player's location and we're done. Now I'm not going to lie, this is a pretty dumbass minimap. Compared to other ones at least. But you're gonna have to take it or leave it. Now that we have the concept down in our noggin, let's start actually making it. I decided I want to place it in the top right corner, because why not? But, where is that exactly? Now you might be asking, are you a fucking idiot? I just said it like 3 seconds ago. And yes, but it's on the HUD, okay? That's what I was getting at. Just like the Minecraft HUD bar. So to add something to the HUD, we're going to have to edit something that is already on the HUD. Well, honestly, we can change everything here, thanks to resource packs. But there is one problem with this. We need to do all of this dynamically. We don't want to reload the resource pack like every single frame. So it needs to be something that we can edit inside the game itself. The items and the text are things that we could edit. I'm going to stick with text because it's just easier to work with. Okay, so we want this text to look like the map. We can achieve that by changing the text's texture, and that's possible thanks to fonts. Unfortunately, the texture resolution for an individual character is restricted to a maximum of 256 by 256. Our map texture is probably bigger than that. So I just split it up into sections and then put them into different characters' textures. And this is how that looks. Instead of displaying all 4 at once, let's just display the section we're on. I did this with this simple code. So currently it's not correctly positioned. To do that, we're going to use shaders. No, not those shaders, but Minecraft's quote-unquote vanilla shaders. Okay, but what the heck are shaders? The answer to that question would be way too long for this video. But in essence, shaders render everything that's on your screen. So because of that, shaders obviously give us a lot of freedom. Compared to those, moving some text feels very easy. And that's because it is. Oh my. It's so easy, I'm not even going to explain it. Because I know you would just click off. Instead, I'll just show you.
Hey everyone. Today I'm going to show you the very complicated method of adding some values together. I already have the vanilla text shader open. I'm just gonna type in very good number. I didn't memorize it right away, so the exporting. I'm just thinking why. This looks about right. of the game. And it's done. Thank you for watching.
It looks pretty good right now, but the Minimap is not just a still image. You know, it moves and stuff. So, if you're curious about how we make this thing move, now I'm gonna do a shameless plug here. I'm live right now on Twitch, and I'm explaining it there how it's moving. You know, the map is moving. I'm not finishing the video. You're gonna just go over to my Twitch. I'm live every day, 2 PM Eastern time. Also subscribe, I have 0 subscribers, and goodbye.